Traceability, transparency, and technology. Don't skip if these are the three things that you're looking to add into your business. eResource. They've been serving for more than a decade now. They've been serving plethora of industries. You name it: construction, pharmaceutical, retail, and manufacturing. Of course, that is the most important thing they've been serving for last so many years. So your question is, why eResource and why not so many other products that is there in the market? Well, the answer is simple. Their team, the zest and the zeal that they work with to implement, to map your process and bring it to best optimization of technology, that is the beauty of eResource. Honestly, these are all the reasons that that we as Niton have selected eResource our partner for last 1 decade. And tell me your reason for not calling them now.